How you doing, everyone? Gearhead Abe here with an update video on the 1990 Corvette. Today we basically bled all of the calipers. There's the fluid. So this was in the master cylinder and it's supposed to be clear. Pitch black. Yeah, thanks for helping bleeding it.
Yep, no problem.
I mean, it was quite the adventure.
I didn't skip leg day.
Yeah, you got to keep pumping that pedal.
Jeez.
But now that I finally got the car up on, with all four wheels off and up on the ground like this is the second time I've had it up like this. I finally had a chance to really look at the brakes and see everything that I'm going to have to do to the car to keep it road ready and keep it road running. The brakes are about halfway, maybe 75% of the life is gone off of them. So I'm thinking next summer I'm gonna probably do pads and rotors, because the pads are pretty much more than half gone. Which one was the worst wheel? Was this one the worst one?
Yeah, one of the fronts.
Yeah. But the pad life is like, yeah, you can't really see in this angle, but shocks are gone. I gotta replace them. Just driving the car, I can feel that they're worn out.
Worse.
Oh, that one is? Okay.
The back's pretty bad too.
Yeah, the backs are bad. The fronts are not that great. Very little pedal vibration, I feel. Very little. So I'm just gonna wait till next year to do this.
Can't wait to see what we just did here in the front.
Yeah. My air dam broke. Oh yeah, so we had to drill that.
Yeah.
And right in there, yeah. I had to zip tie it together. It's either that or buy a new air dam, so.
Nothing wrong with little zip ties.
Yeah, nothing wrong with it. No one will ever know. From this angle, you'll never see it. Unless somebody jumps down to the floor.
The judge is gonna be like, I see you did this.
Right?
Like 2 points off. Yeah, we did. Get shit done.
But yeah, the car's, everything else is going good for it. The master cylinder is nice and clean now. It used to be pitch black in here, guys.
Oh yeah.
You couldn't see anything. You couldn't see the floor, or the bottom of this, I mean. And now look at it. You can see right in there, nice and clean. It used to be pitch black in there.
This was in there. Think about this. It was inside there.
Yeah. So I guess the fellows who's owned this car before me decided to just not maintenance it and just put it away.
Rescued it.
I swear, when I see these things, it's like, man, you shouldn't own a prize like the Chevy Corvette. Okay? You don't maintenance the car, you shouldn't own an American dream.
Nice cars.
Yeah. Oh, well, I guess that's it. I just wanted to share with you guys the bleeding procedure, or not the procedure, but the aftermath, what the fluid looks like. Here's a shot of the interior. The 3rd Gen Expo is coming up. I'll be going to that. So there'll be more videos to come of that. Gotta get the back side. Alright, you guys. I guess this is Gearhead Abe. And thanks for watching my channel. Take care, guys.